Hello, today we will review Porter Cable Air Compressor. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about important features. 150 psi max tank pressure of the portable air compressor allows more air in the tank for longer tool runtimes. 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi of the electric air compressor allows for quick compressor recovery time, per ISO 1217. 6 gallons pancake-style tank of the Porter Cable air compressor is made for stability, includes water drain valve and rubber feet. Low amp 120 volts motor of the 6-gallon air compressor starts easily in cold weather or with an extension cord. Durable oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. Shroud, handle, and console cover protects vital components, makes the unit easier to carry, and includes cord wrap. 2 regulated, factory-installed air couplers to easily support 2 users. 6-gallon pancake-style tank for stability includes water drain valve and rubber feet. Durable oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. Feature-wise rating given by buyers. Rated 5.0 for accuracy. Rated 3.7 for noise level. Rated 4.6 for portability. Rated 5.0 for lightweight. Rated 4.5 for maneuverability. 3,869 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.7 star rated. User reviews. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and considered few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For complete review, please check the link in description. $3,869 satisfied users. Best-selling product in Amazon. Overall 4.7 star rated. 94% buyers has 0 complaints. Our verdict is highly recommended to buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.